Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to link Shopify to TikTok. Firstly, go to Shopify App Store and search for Own Base. Install the app on your Shopify store. The plan starts at $15 a month up to 500 products with a 30-day free trial. Start with a basic plan to test the workflow. Now in the Own Base dashboard, click Connect. You'll be redirected to TikTok Shop Login. Log in with your TikTok Shop owner account and authorize the connection. Select the inventory location you want to sync, and if dropshipping, choose your own location to avoid TikTok bans, and if you stock products yourself, select the correct warehouse. Now configure which attributes you want to sync, like product status, title and description, images, and price, and make sure all essential attributes are enabled for a smooth sync. Now enable the option to import TikTok Shop orders into Shopify. This way all orders are visible and manageable directly in your Shopify dashboard. Choose which Shopify products you want to push to TikTok Shop and categorize them correctly to match TikTok's requirements. Confirm and publish, and the sync may take a few minutes, but after that, your products will be live on TikTok Shop. And done, your Shopify products are now synced with TikTok Shop via Own Base. You can manage inventory, orders, and updates all from your Shopify admin. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.